Hey guys, welcome back to Flatline Detonation. I'm Dakota, and today I have something a little different for you. I got a free bike. I was just on my phone searching Facebook Marketplace.
Holy a free bike!
I'm not sure why he was just giving this bike away. This was like a $2,000 bike, brand new, but I jumped on it. It was posted in 9 minutes and I picked it up immediately. If you guys don't know, I actually do a lot of biking. I have an old Specialized bike, and honestly, it's seen better days. It needs a lot of work. It honestly needs about the same amount of work as this bike does. So the guy I picked this bike up from had a brand new Domane like this. So this is a 2014 Domane Triple, and it's so light. Like, it weighs nothing. It's got a carbon fiber front fork, aluminum frame, and it looks pretty badass. Kind of similar color schemes, you know, pretty sweet. But like all things on this channel, it needs some work, and it's gonna get a few minor upgrades, nothing major. Let's get everything in this box up on the workbench. Some overnight parts from Amazon. This thing's gonna be pretty sweet. Got some new tires, because these tires are kind of weather checked and they're flat. So assuming the tubes are probably bad in both, picked up a set of tubes. This bike didn't have any pedals on it, and I'm not a huge fan of clip-ins, so I got some pretty sweet aluminum flat pedals that match the bike pretty good. Then I got a little tool to remove the tubes and tires off of here. One of the main reasons this guy got rid of the bike, or gave it away to me, is this rear derailleur. It's broken off the frame. Newer bikes are actually designed to break this piece instead of bending the frame. Since most new bikes are actually aluminum, you don't want aluminum to bend because the chances of getting it back into place, it's just not going to happen. Along with missing and broken parts, the rear skewer was missing, so I stopped at my local Trek dealer today. Shout out to those guys. They were kind enough to just give me that. So I will be back once I get this rear derailleur back on there. I'm just going to take it to them. A whole whopping $15 is all they're going to charge to make sure it ships through all the gears perfectly. In my opinion, that is worth me not having the headache of sitting here and dealing with it, because they probably have some special tools and they do it every single day. So kind of like having your car tuned by a professional. Sometimes you just pay the money and it's gonna be well worth it in the end. I am waiting on some stuff. I got some new grips coming in the mail because these things are kind of gross. And who knows how many pounds of human skin is left on there from the previous owner. I also ordered a used rear derailleur because it doesn't look super bent, because I already kind of bent it back into place. This cage is pretty jacked up. And these gears, they've seen better days. Let's get to putting this thing back together and making it roadworthy.
little hot.
And just like that, it's all fixed, working good. I've got pretty close to 300 bucks into it, which I don't know the value of this bike. I'm pretty sure it's still like a $500 to $600 bike. So I think I still have a good deal, and it's a cool story. Got the bike for free, fixed it up, and now I can enjoy it. Gives you a little sense of pride. One thing I screwed up on and why I have so much money into it is because I bought a used rear derailleur, and it turns out not all rear derailleurs are the same. I knew I needed a 10-speed. I got a 10-speed derailleur, but not all derailleurs work with shift levers. So spent another 55 bucks at Trek, which, by the way, the Trek store in my town, awesome guys. I thought stuff was gonna be really, really expensive. Like, I ended up needing a chain. The chain was really worn out. It was like 30 bucks. Yeah, I could probably got it online for like 20, 25, but honestly, it was the convenience thing, and they were super nice. Like, put it on the rack, showed me everything wrong with it. They literally wrote down on a piece of paper every little thing that it needed, or if everything was okay. So I'm really happy with that. I'll definitely take the bike back there. I should have just taken it there after I got it all back together and just had them put a new rear derailleur on. I can probably sell this one on eBay because that's where I got it. I think I paid $45 for it on eBay. So I'll do that. Try to sell the other rear derailleur as a parts only for like 20 bucks, 30 bucks. And that'll bring the cost back down to like 200, 250 bucks. So all in all, pretty pumped about this bike. Unfortunately, it's November in Wisconsin, so probably not gonna be riding it much. We had a weird day today where it's 70 degrees outside, so figured I probably should finish up this video. It's been sitting on my computer forever, but hope you enjoy it. There's 2 cars behind the camera right now that need engines. I'll be doing a video on that stuff soon. Look for that in the future. I'm really slow with videos, guys, but I enjoy it, and I hope you guys learned something from it. So until next time, we will see you later.